Analog cameras are experiencing an incredible resurgence in 2025, offering a deeply rewarding photography experience that goes far beyond instant digital snaps. If you're eager to embrace the magic of film and slow down your creative process, you've come to the right place. We've unearthed the absolute best analog cameras, perfect for beginners and seasoned photographers alike, helping you make the switch to film photography this year. Don't forget to check the video description below for direct links to purchase these fantastic cameras and kickstart your film journey. Number 1. Canon Prima Zoom. This classic point-and-shoot camera is the ultimate entry point, incredibly user-friendly and surprisingly affordable, often found for under $130. It's truly about effortless, spontaneous moments captured on film. Number 2. Konica Hexar AF. Elevate your point-and-shoot experience with this premium option, renowned for its super-sharp lens and high-quality images, though it commands a steeper price, typically between $800 to $1,000. It's a revelation for those seeking top-tier autofocus performance. Number 3. Canon AE1. Dive into the captivating world of vintage SLRs with this iconic camera. It's a fully manual marvel, challenging you to master exposure settings, yet its timeless aesthetic and widespread lens availability make it a wonderfully rewarding choice for artistic expression. Number 4. Pentax K1000. Another legendary vintage SLR, the K1000 is celebrated for its robust simplicity and incredible affordability. It's a fantastic, no-frills option to truly understand manual photography, often available for as little as $10, an astonishing value for its educational impact. Number 5. Canon EOS 1000F. For the smoothest transition from digital, this modern SLR film camera is a true game changer in 2025. Equipped with broader auto settings, reliable autofocus, and compatibility with common Canon EF mount lenses, it perfectly bridges the gap, making film photography surprisingly accessible and exciting. These are the top analog cameras you absolutely must consider right now.